thirsty crow flying in the sky on a hot afternoon. The crow spots a pot with a little water inside.
Driven by a desperate thirst, the clever crow found a pitcher. Alas, the water was much too low. What could he possibly do next?
The crow thinks, then starts collecting small pebbles. Pebbles drop into the pot one by one. Water rises. The crow drinks happily and flies away.